Hello, my beautiful people. How are we doing? How are we doing? Let me hope you're well. Let me hope the day is treating you well. Let me hope the day is going on in an amazing way. So please, you are most welcome. Happy to be here once again. Happy to receive you as you join in from wherever you are tuning in from. You are most welcome. Happy to have you. Happy to have you around. You are all welcome for the new ones that are just joining in. Happy and excited to have you around. So come through. Let us see how the day is going to go about today. Okay, so back to my people as I finalize with my setup over here. You are all most welcome. I welcome you. I welcome you. Come through, come through. Let us see how the day is going to go about. Over here, I see Bible Boost has already come in, has already joined. Lena over here. The rest of you, please come through and let us chat, let us talk here and there, and we see how the market is going to work out today. Come through. I'm waiting on you. Bible Post, you are most welcome, and you are the very first person to send in a message. Flowers come to you. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. I am done with my setup as we can see over there. That is it. Okay, to my beautiful people, for those that are just joining in, you're most welcome. You are most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to see you come through. Happy to see you join in. Please like and subscribe. Let us keep it going. We keep it growing. So please send in a message. Send in a message in our chat section. I would love to know how you're doing, how everything is going, what is new, what do you think about today's market? Come through, let us share, let us talk about each and everything, please. We are analyzing the market together. So come through and let us analyze the market together. We see how best we can take today's profits. Okay. So right over there. Okay, so today we are still having WTI crude oil OTC 400 US dollars. That is the amount that I've set. 15 seconds, my time expired. Right, so about the book, one book that I can recommend, one book that I can recommend that is a Baby Pips. Maybe we can try out that and we see. Try it out and we see. You know, it's always a good thing for us to have at least certain tools that we use. So that is one of the tools that I used, the book, the baby pips. So you can try it out and you see. Okay, sorry about that. Was trying to finalize with a few things here, such that we get into it without any distractions. Okay, sorry for that. Here I am. I'm back with you, my beautiful and amazing people in the chat section. You're almost welcome. Happy to have you around. Excited to be with you for yet another session. For before we move any further to our Muslim friends, it's Idi Mubarak. Let me hope that's how they say it. But I wish you all the best. I wish you a happy day. Hope it has been okay for those that have concluded it, and for those that are just getting into it. Please enjoy your day. Have the best of it. Okay, so with exactly the binary options trading, what do we look at? Whenever we talk about binary options trading, what should come in your mind? What should you think about? One, we are scalping, okay? We are we are practically scalping when we are trading, okay? So that's sorry, that simply means we use sniper entries. Why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this such that we know this is not something where we are going to use bigger time frames where we are looking at days, weeks, months, or even a year. This is something that is for a short period of time or for a smaller time frame. And whenever we talk about scalping or whenever we talk about the binary options trading, we are looking at smaller time frames. That is 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. That's what we are looking at. Okay, so the whole point is we are not day traders who use confirmation windows and mark out where their entries and then wait for the market to come back to that place, then open a trade. We are not those kinds of traders. That's why I've said we use sniper entries. Okay, so for us as scalpers, for us as the binary options traders, you and me, we shall focus mainly on indicators. Okay, that's why you see that every single day on my chart, I have indicators, and the ones I've been using ever since we started, that is the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. But of course, that's not where the indicators stop. We have we have a number of indicators. There are very, very many. There are very many indicators that we can use, but choose those that you are comfortable with, those that are easy for you to use. You know, in trading, we are focusing more on making the money, okay, on making the profits. So we should not fight so hard in using complicated things. Let us focus more on using something that is easy, that is going to lead us, that is going to guide us into making profits out of what we have invested into the market. All right. So as I was saying, we look at these indicators, and then that is on top of indicators, we also use the candlestick. We need to have the candlestick knowledge to help us predict the market movements. Okay, so predicting these market movements, it is done well when we are using smaller time frames, which I mentioned earlier, which is 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, so with these smaller time frames, it makes it easier for us to get a good read, okay? For us to get a good read on the market, whether it is a bullish movement or bearish movement. Then that is when we know that, okay, with a bullish, let us buy, with a bearish, let us sell. So that is what we basically look at. We are looking, if the market is moving upwards, then we buy. If the market is moving downwards, then we shall sell. All right. So now with these indicators, like I've said, I've been using the MACD indicator and the alligator indicator. This makes it easier for me to know that right about now we are going in an uptrend or we are in a downtrend. With the MACD and the alligator indicator, we know very well that they help us so much in the market direction and also in the strength of that particular trend we are moving in. So when do we place in our trades? when we have when we have that clear momentum, we know that okay, right about now we are moving in an uptrend, we are moving in a downtrend. So when we have that strong direction and we know that right about now we are in an uptrend, we place in a buy. When we see that we are in a strong movement downwards, we place in a sell. As simple as that. Then now when it comes to our candles, remember I've said we are looking at indicators, we are looking at the candlestick patterns. With the candlestick patterns, definitely we are looking at those engulfing candles. There is a point where we look at our indicators, we are in an uptrend, we get that engulfing candle. Please open a trade there, placing a trade. When we come back to, um, sorry, so that is for the engulfing candle. Then we have the close above candles, the close below candles. Those, what does that mean? That simply means let us sit down, we get the knowledge about these different candlestick patterns, get knowledge about the indicators, things become easier, things become way much better. Okay. So when we have the indicators, we have the candlestick patterns. When these two are combined together, definitely we are able to see those opportunities, however small it is. We are able to see those opportunities that right now, let me sell or let me buy. Okay. This happens, it happens so well when you are using the smaller time frames, like I've been explaining earlier. Okay, that we cannot do it using the bigger time frames. So that way we shall not be looking at things of where we are looking at the market has to retrace. We are looking at the liquidity, the pullbacks, break and retest, all that. For us as scalpers, that is time consuming. So what we focus on, let us look at the direction of these indicators, the engulfing candles. We see an opportunity there, we enter into the market. Okay, so this, the candlestick patterns, the indicators work so well. This goes so well with the smaller time frames. And remember, we are trading binary options, so we are generally talking about smaller time frames. So that way or similar opportunities for us to be able to enter into the market. Okay, so generally, that is what we have to be looking at. Is what we focusing, maybe the zigzag indicator, RSI. Okay, so that, at least let me hope it is giving you an idea. Look out the indicator marketer. Those two I have been explaining about them every with uh, um, the strengths. So if you need more information about the alligator indicator, the MACD indicator, I have always given that clear information about those two indicators and why I choose to use them. Okay, so okay, that is Harry over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are amazing. So for the time frame, that is 15 seconds. Thank you very much. That is Ezekiel. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. I'm seeing Obed. Is it possible to start with 50 US dollars? It is. If you are going to be trading for yourself, it is. And because I saw the minimum is 10 US dollars, the minimum is 10 US dollars. So that is very possible if you are going to trade for yourself. And at the end of the day, one thing that I keep emphasizing, the one thing that I keep putting forward is the information to learn and how exactly the marketer when it comes to trading. Okay, so as the time goes on, allow me say that today we are not going to be having donations. Today we are not going to be having donations. We shall do that tomorrow. Today, no donations for us, so we have more time to interact. We have more time to know here and there exactly what is happening, what is going on with the market. Come through, chat with me, and let me know. Let me know what you think. What you think. Let us keep it going together. Okay, so Osco, that is Osco free. Osco free, I've missed, I think you must have sent in a message earlier on because I'm seeing Lina, please. Osco free, please remind me, are you King Leo or I'm confusing you for someone else? Because I remember, yes, yesterday we spoke. Yesterday we spoke. At the same time, I was communicating with someone else. I think that is the name. The name has skipped. So I would love to know whether you are King Leo. That is Oscar free because there is some information that you gave me about your donation. Ismail, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope everything is good. Hope everything is going on well. Today is your day. Let me hope, let me hope you are doing okay. Let me hope you are amazing. Right, right. That is Dari. Hi, Dari. How are you doing? You are asking for the Mark D parameters. So that for the first EMA, we have 12. Then for the slow EMA, that is 26, and for the signal line, we have 9. So a bit. Hey, DJ System. Hi, DJ System. How are you doing? Hope you are hosting too. Alex, Alex over there. Hi, how are you doing? Let me hope you okay. Let me hope you are doing great. Okay, so to the new people that are just joining in, you are most welcome. Happy to have you around. Like and subscribe. Let us like and subscribe. Let us keep it amazing. Let us keep it going, growing, and definitely we shall be able to get to where we want straight. Okay, yes, that is also free. Yes, I got your message. I got your text, and that is definitely going to be worked on. That is definitely going to be worked on. No worries at all. Okay, King Leah over there, you are welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so let us proceed. Let us proceed with our trading today. Like I have said, we are not going to have donations, so here to trade together. To trade together. So please come through. Let us analyze the market together. Let us understand exactly what is going on. Okay, so I would love to inform you that for the tutorials or for the videos that I've been promising to put on my YouTube channel. So the very Okay, so as I was saying, for the videos that I've been talking about, the tutorials about the strategy and all that, um, allow me say that the first video will be uploaded tomorrow. Okay, the first video will tomorrow. We shall be able to at least go through it. I did not make very many videos for the learning purposes or for the start, but I know the information that I'm going to post there or that my media team is going to post there, it will be very, very useful to us. At least we shall be able to learn something. Then from that, we shall keep building on little by little. Okay, so we shall have those videos, but the very, very first one is going to be uploaded tomorrow. So allow me say that the wait is over and I'm really so sorry for keeping you waiting for this long. I'm so sorry about that, but at least let me believe and pray that when these videos start coming through, we shall be able to learn something from them. Then, on top of that, we come for these sessions. On top of those videos, let us always, each and every single day, let us learn something new, such that we perfect our trading. We learn the strategy. We know exactly what to do. Okay, so we shall get started with that tomorrow. All right, over there, I see Sir Mike coming through. How you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Greetings away from. Oh my goodness, thank you very much for always coming through each and every single day. You're happy to see you each and every single day. Okay, next we have that is Oster J. Hi, how you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. D Bright. Hi, D Bright. How are you? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. For the new ones, the people that are just joining in for the very first time, please do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well, such that each and every single day we are here together. We are here enjoying the vibes, the focusing on our trading. We do two things in one. We focus on the trading, then we vibe at the same time. So who would not want that? We make sure that we get some profits at the same time. We are enjoying the time that we are spending together. So like, subscribe, let us keep it going. Okay, that is Oscar free. Yes, thank you for sticking around. I see you over there. Patrick, hi Patrick, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around, right? Let us observe the market. Let's see as we plus in. That is a sell position for us. Let us see what it has for us. And as we can see, that is okay. That is a plus for us. That is a plus. I'm still in a down direction. So these are some of the things that we have to look out for. Are we still in the same direction? Are we in a trend continuation or we are changing direction? Okay, so these are some of the things that you sit down and you are like, okay, right about now, let me get ready because we are changing direction. We are changing the trend. All right. For those that are asking about the broker or the platform, Pocket option is a platform. Okay, we sell over here. And then we have a plus. Look at that. Okay, so earlier on, I saw someone who was asking about the alligator indicator, and I gave the information and said that that is one of the that is actually the indicator that I've been using ever since I started with streaming. Okay, but basically, the one thing we should know is we at basically those three lines, which is the blue line, the red line, and the green line. The green line fastest line, and it is our most important line. So when the green line crosses the red and the blue line, whether downwards or upwards, that is when we have a clear signal that right about now we should either place in a buy or sell trade. Okay, so then we also have certain things that we look at. There is a certain point when those three lines are intertwined together. So that simply means in that position or in that particular category, we should not place in a trade. That simply means the market is sleeping, the market is ranging, the market is in consolidation. It's not right for us to risk our money placing in those lines the trend are flat, okay, or they are in a sleeping position, okay. Then we have when these three lines start separating, the green line, the red line, and the blue line, when they start separating, that is when we should start piquing the interest of seeing, okay, they are separating, moving in this particular direction. So meaning we should get ready to place in a trade. Then we have when these three lines are completely separate, when they are completely separate, that simply means we are having a strong movement or momentum. Okay, that is when we should be very, very sure that right here we should place in a trade. So those lines really help us a lot. But to my end, whenever we are talking about the alligator indicator or the MACD indicator, I don't know, maybe because I've overused it, so I feel it's very, very easy to understand, very, very easy to learn. Okay, so take some time off. Lena could be saying a few things here and there, but take off some time, learn more about these particular indicators that we are using. And if you're going to start using them, know exactly what you are using instead of just using guesswork or instead of assuming. Because at the end of the day, if you are not sure of what you are doing, that's when the losses kick in. That's when blowing up our accounts comes in. Okay, so whatever we do, whatever we are using, let us be very, very sure of exactly what we are doing. Binary options trading, like I keep saying, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. So, and the fact that we have an opportunity of the platform that we are using, we have an open market. That is, when we look at the OTC, we are having an open market. So that simply means we have a lot of on us. We have very many chances, or we have very many opportunities for us to be in the market. It's not like over the weekend the market is going to be no. So anytime you feel you have maybe some money on your account and you know exactly what to do, let us go and trade. Let us go and start small. I encourage so much people to always start small whenever we are trading. If you are not yet there, then use the account. When what you should be looking out for before you match, okay? Then from the account, plus in, start with a very, very small percentage depending on what you have on your account. Start with 2%, 5%. See how to manage. If you are doing better, if you're getting better, you can increase that percentage. That is where risk management comes in. Because at the end of the day, the most important thing is for us not to blow up our account. Don't put in 50% and remain with 50%. This time round, you put in 50%, and then the next time also 50%. The account is finished. That is if you have not made some profits. Okay, so start small, learn things become things become better with time. It doesn't just happen like magically. It takes time. It takes time. So that's why I say take it slow. Do not rush yourself. Do not rush yourself. Take some time. Once you become better, start earning your profit. Okay, that's what I can say. Okay, Penta over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming. Thank you for always saying I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. It is you that keep me going. You keep me going. You keep me here, coming here each and every single day. So why not appreciate you? I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. Abbas over. How are you? You're good over here. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. Amazing. Okay, that is Giorgio. Okay, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for always sending in a message. Sorry. Thank you for always sending in a message. I really do appreciate. For the new people that are just coming through, that are just joining Elena, please like and subscribe. Let us keep it here. Let us stick here. Let us stick together. And also here. I've made a plus over here, but it is backed up by a plus. Okay, let us go. Let us keep analyzing the market. Let us keep going slow on it. Okay. You have to take your time placing in these different trades. Take your time, get the best opportunities, and then grab them. Okay. Okay, let us see what this gives us. Remember today, as I said earlier, today we are in for profits. Today we are in for profits, analyzing the market. We are doing it together. So let us see how the day today is going to go. How the day today is going to go with a buy open. Let's see. That is beautiful. Beautiful. We have a plus over there. So let us go slow but sure. We are moving one step at a time as we see. We let us forward and also here. Yesterday, someone asked me, so like I said, we do both. We do both. When it comes to trading, we focus. But at the same time, we also have to enjoy what we are doing. So we vibe as well. That is it over here. That is beautiful. We have a plus. We have a plus over here. Okay, so over here we see. Okay, we are having some multiple threads over here. Let's see. That is a plus. Okay, we have a plus over there. That is very true. That is very true. I'm seeing a number of people, meaning today we are all involved. We are all in it together. We are trading together. Thank you guys for the participation. I really do appreciate you. So I am seeing a few people here and there trading with me. Thank you very much. And that is Suck, a Thrive. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. We just have to be observant. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so that is Sakia. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. At times I look at you guys and then I'm like, oh my goodness. One thing that I do not like doing is offend people with their names. It's not a good look. So I try my level best to say what I can. And trust me, if I say it wrongly, do not be offended. Do not be offended. Your girl Lena over here really does appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so for the people that want to learn, trust me, trust me, trust me. We are all together. We are all together. So tomorrow I will be starting to put up some videos about the strategies, some videos for us to start learning from. So do not worry, we are going to kick into it together. We learn together. Okay. Okay, back to my people in the chat section. Thank you very much. Thank you for participation. Thank you very, very much. I really do appreciate you guys. One thing you should know is the fact that without you guys, Lena over here is nothing. So I humbly thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. I really do appreciate you. With the focusing in our trading, definitely, definitely. We also have some vibe going on. We definitely have some vibe going on. So, people in the chat section, thank you for that being active. Thank you very, very much for the participation. I appreciate. Okay, that is a plus for us. That is a plus. So, Okay, today it has been well. It has been well. As you can see, we have managed to make some great money for the Okay, so today I know we have not had donations, but allow me take you through a few things that I look at, that I consider for the donations. First of all, um, each one of you who is willing to send in money for the donations, you do it willingly. It is a voluntary donation. I do not force you. You do it because you want to. Okay, that's why I put a few terms and conditions. You go through them. If you feel that this is not good for you, it's not okay with you, then you do not proceed to sending the donations. Okay, the other thing that I always I look at risk management so much. Do not sit there and be like, okay, I have these 300 US dollars, 350 US dollars. Let me send Lena to trade for me. I'm requesting that you send in something that you are willing to lose. One, because the market is unpredictable. We cannot know how the market is going to behave, what the market is going to do. Are we going to be successful? Are we going to lose? We cannot know. But definitely, with the knowledge that I have, that I use in trading, you find that we shall get some profits. But that does not stop the fact that losses are also there. So consider so much risk management. Know that what you're sending in is something that you are willing to lose. That is because one of the challenges that I'm facing is people send in their money, but they've not indicated or they've not sent in their crypto wallet. Okay, please, this crypto wallet, the reason as to why I need it, if we have made profits out of our donation, then I should be able to send you these profits to your wallet. All right. So that's why I request for it. That's why I need it. Always. These are the as your name, the amounts that you are sending in. Okay. 300 US dollars, 350 US dollars, 500 US dollars, depending on how your account is standing or what you are willing to send in for the donations. Then the message, send in a message and be like, Lena, I need 2 wins, I need 3 wins, I need 4 wins. Because the maximum that I go for, the maximum wins is 5. So send in a message, let me know how many times do you want me to trade for you the money that you have sent in. After that, do not forget. to send in your crypto wallet, because that is where I send the profits to, or your digital wallet. Please, very, very important information. Okay, so that is it about the donations. When you are going through the terms and conditions, you definitely learn a few things. You learn a few things. If I've traded for you for the first time and we make a loss, I retrade for you using my own money. But after that first attempt, if we still make a loss, then that's it. Okay, it's only on a loss that we have made on the first attempt. Okay, so that is what I can say about the donations. It is something that you do willingly, voluntarily. I do not force you to do it. Okay. Okay. Today, like I was telling you, today is an amazing day. We have not done bad at all. We have not done bad at all. Okay, okay, we are still going. We are still going. That is Sophia over there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Reminder for those that have not yet liked and subscribed, please kindly like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let us keep it here, and yet very soon we shall be having some tutorials that to trade we shall set up with out for. So we are going to have that starting tomorrow. We shall be having some videos. Definitely, we shall. What I try to do is to give us the whole beginning. What is the most important thing for us that we have to consider, that we have to look out for? So that is exactly what I put out there. We are going to be receiving that in not long away from now. So please, just a few more time, small time, then we shall be able to have that. Okay. So people who are asking about the strategy, how is it done, what, please sort you out soon enough. Okay. At the end of the day, I want us to be on the same page. I want us to move together such that when I am trading here, when you're able to some fit for yourself. You get what I'm saying? So please let us see how to go about each and everything. Do not worry so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. That is Georgia over there. Hi, how you doing? Thank you for sticking around all the way from where we started from up to this minute. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. For those that have not liked and subscribed, please kindly like and subscribe. So thank you very much, guys, for the participation. Thank you very much for all that we have done today. We have focused and definitely we have had our time. We have had the vibe. We have had the vibe. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. So we are having just a few more minutes to go. We are having just a few more minutes to go. Thank you, thank you. I'm seeing that is JJ over there saying that you have liked this live session. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. I really do appreciate. It is you guys who make this interesting. And it is you guys who make this interesting, who make it amazing. You and me together, we definitely make a very, very good team. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so it's a very, very simple day, a day that has been full of activity, so full of energy, so full of all that is there to be good. I would love to thank you very much. I would love to thank you very much for today. Please, as we can see, my time is coming to an end. Thank you very, very much. Whenever I come for the live sessions, so I have to come today, tomorrow, other day, let us keep it lovely. Let us keep it positive. We keep it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are. Thank you very much, my beautiful people. that will be it for today. Allow me to wish you a lovely day, a lovely night, a lovely evening, a good morning, depending